Hi guys, in this video I show you the secret start menu in Windows 11. This start menu is very useful because you can find all the important settings and yes, just one click away, go here to the Windows symbol in the taskbar, right click, and here you have all these settings I talked about. For example, installed apps, you can click here and directly deinstall all the apps you don't want, and go here again, right click, click on system, and you can find all your system informations like CPU and yes, PC name and everything. Also power options if you want to adjust the sleep mode or anything. And you also have the device manager, for example. The device manager shows you all your devices from your PC. If there's something red, for example, or yellow, there might be an issue with this device. Yeah? You can also check the graphics card, for example. Let's see. Display adapters here. For example, I have the RTX 2060 here inside this PC. Alright guys, also the monitor here, perfect. This is how easy you can get to this secret start menu. Thank you for watching and see you next time.